Hi, I'm Bridgetta, and today I'm making sausage cinnamon rolls. It's a great breakfast combination of sweet and savory. You're gonna love it. Okay, you're only gonna need 6 ingredients: brown sugar, breakfast sausage, cinnamon, maple syrup, butter, and of course, crescent rolls. Our first step is to brown the sausage. I have finished cooking the breakfast sausage, and they're here in the plate cooling. And the oven is preheating to 350. So now we're going to use our crescent rolls. Got it the first time. Whoops, but then hopefully it all stays the right way. Okay, we're going to separate them out. So I cooked 8 sausage, but there was more than that in the package. So I'll save those for another time. So here are your pieces. We're going to separate these out. Just separate them where they're perforated. So here's your pieces. Here's our brown sugar, and here's our cinnamon. We're going to add that to the brown sugar, and we're going to mix it up. Okay. We're going to get some butter. I've let it soften a little bit. We're going to spread it on our crescent rolls. Spread it around. Now on top of our butter, we're just going to sprinkle, if you can see that. Sprinkle the cinnamon sugar. Not too much because it's also going to go on the outside. There we go. Then you're going to put your sausage inside, and then you're going to roll it up. And put it on your tray. I think it was a little warm before, so use that. Should be good by now. Okay, so you start at the wide end and go to the narrow, and then just put it on your tray. I finished wrapping them all up. Now we're going to put butter on each one, and then more brown sugar and cinnamon. So we're just coating each one. What do you think, Mark? Decadent?
Yes.
Yes. Now this is just the leftover butter from what I put on the inside. But tailor it to your needs. If you want less brown sugar and cinnamon, like we're probably going to do, no problem. Otherwise, just go for it. Okay. Put that aside. And sprinkle again. Okay, cook time says 12 to 14 minutes, but you know, everyone's oven is different, so keep an eye on it. We'll do 13. Okay, and now we wait. Oh, perfect timing. Here they come. Oh my gosh.
That's what I'm talking about.
That looks mighty fine.
This is the definition of better with Brigetta.
Definitely better than the first batch, I think.
And they were pretty darn good.
So we're going to let those cool for a few minutes and then we're going to taste test it. These are sausage cinnamon rolls. You ready to try?
I am.
Okay, me too. Are you going to dip in maple syrup?
No, I'm just going
Okay.
for the purest.
Ah, looks good.
Oh my God. That is amazing.
That's really good. That's your sweet and savory.
Smells awesome. Smells like a bakery in here.
Mm-hmm.
Just breakfasty. What a treat.
Wow.
Mm.
So I would probably cut back a little bit on the butter that I set aside for the recipe. But otherwise, and the cinnamon sugar too. I didn't use all of it, but maybe you will.
It doesn't need very much.
No, it doesn't.
I think you're probably fine without it in the center, but I don't know.
Hard to
They're
say.
fantastic.
Mm-hmm. Really, really
These
good.
were super fast.
Mm-hmm.
You could definitely wake up in the
Make
morning
them that
and
morning.
just
Mm-hmm.
whip these things out. You'd really wow the family or your guests.
And you can double or triple the recipe, no problem. I mean, these are just for us. We're not sharing with anybody else.
Good job, Jetta.
You're welcome. I'm glad you liked it.
Well, a new video every Sunday.
Every Sunday. Yep. Who knows? At some point, we might go to 2 videos a week. We're flirting with that idea. So we'll see. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that means the thumbs up. That's what we need to grow the channel. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Good job. This is excellent.
All right, I just got to try it in maple syrup and see.
That's a good one.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. Mhm.
That's good.